Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market as usual. So on the gold market yesterday it was significant upward action. So again something has happened that we just can't foresee, just because the major reason for this rally was the statistics, and as you know, it was not really good data was on the real estate market in the United States. Particularly speaking, the permission for the buildings has dropped 46%. Second moment is IMF has released the research where they expressed their opinion that United States dollar overvalued for 6-12% approximately. And finally, as a result, all the stuff on the United States Treasury yields have dropped, and that makes an impact on the forex market, supports the gold, because it seems that investors run to the quality before the Fed statement, before the Fed meeting, and by the end of the month, and that supports the gold market and triggers this upward action. So yesterday we thought that maybe market could show some deeper action. So if you remember on a 4-hour time frame chart, we said, well, as market wasn't able to break it here, I mean the upward action, it should complete some kind of the ABCD action down. Right now, somewhere to bottom of the triangle. So if early breakout hasn't happened, it means that it could happen ordinary breakout. And we thought that market could reach this area, but still, triggered by the statistics, the early reversal still has happened a bit later. Market hasn't quite completed AB equals CD target and turns up, but now it has no really meaning because the market creates the new top and ABCD pattern has been erased. So we don't have any uncompleted targets anymore, just because the whole pattern had been destroyed. The market has shown the upward breakout. So although it stands a bit different compared to what we expected, the overall tendency and our longer term trading plan works properly currently. As butterfly starts to form, market indeed has shown the rally, and despite what the manner is, but market is tending higher to the major target. But that is what is we have important thing on the market right now. So what we could do currently? Currently we could keep an eye on retracement and use the hourly chart for this purpose. So you can see that is the breakout that has happened. Here was also, by the way, guys, take a look, minor wash and rinse of these lows. So just minor spike and rally up. That's the triangle's border. And around this border we have two levels, 1418, the first fib support. Next one is 1411, 1413 is confidence support area. This also coincides with this our triangle consolidation that we have discussed previously. It means that if market indeed stands bullish and it has intention and power to continue upward action, it should hold above this area. So we could accept retracement and flirting around the trend line of the triangle with reaching the confidence. Maybe some kind of the A, B, C, D pattern will be formed, gutless cheaper to buy. That's the thing that we could keep an eye on. The downside breakout of this confidence will be negative sign. It will tell you that market turns back inside of the triangle. It means that this was the failure, fake breakout, and that will be bearish sign. This market really could continue to move lower. Correspondingly, depending on your view, you could make your own trades, you could make your own decisions. So if you have the bullish view, you'd like to go long, and you have missed opportunity to go long here, because indeed it was almost impossible to catch this rally, because the news come in one by one, and this was really fast action, you can see. You could keep an eye on two moments. You could either take the long position on the retracement and placing stop below the confidence, or you could wait for a clear bullish pattern. For example, as I said, gutless cheaper to buy with this ABC retracement right to this area. That will let you just place tighter stop. But it could happen that we will not have as deep retracement as right to the confidence. So market could retest trend line here on triangle and continue move higher. It's also possible. So the choice is up to you. If you have the bearish view and like to go short, well, in this case, it would be better to see and get clear signs of the fake breakout of the triangle. So in this case, you need to wait and see when the market will break back this confluence or return down inside of the triangle. So that's two moments that you could keep an eye on. This is our view on the gold market. So let's see how the situation will turn.